guys, what's up? Good morning. How are you guys doing? So you're welcome back to another interesting and helpful video. So if this is your very first time of stopping by in this channel, you are highly welcome. So today, you guys, I'm going to be showing you a very powerful, just 3 ingredients that would help you to take care of skin tag and remove your skin tag drastically, like remove your skin tag permanently, and of course naturally, using natural home remedies like this that you've seen me. So you guys, this is actually a very powerful skin tag remedy. So when using this particular skin tag remedy, you would have to, apply vitamin E oil on the non-affected part of the skin before using this remedy that I'm about to show you. So the first ingredient that I'm actually using in here is cloves. This I have here is cloves. Now clove is a great ingredient that is used in so many ways. It's used for tea, it's used for the skin, especially when it comes to removing skin growth on your skin. It works and helps so very much. So I'm going to be using just few amounts of these cloves. Then I'm going to be getting a little mortar like this, or anyhow you want to crush your cloves, you can actually do that, but for me I want to crush it using my mortar. You can also crush it using your blender. Alright, so I actually just put a little quantity of my cloves. Now when you're using this, you can actually use just a little quantity because it's actually a very powerful remedy. Okay, so I'm going to be pounding this. It's actually a very strong ingredient to crush or to even blend. So even if you're blending it, it's usually this strong. So after crushing it just a little, I'm going to be keeping that aside. Then we're also going to be needing lemon. Now lemon is citric in nature, and as such it helps so very much for the skin. It helps for a lot of things in the body. The juice part of this lemon helps so much for the body because it helps to detoxify you. And of course, in this particular remedy, we're going to use just the zest, which is the skin of this lemon. The skin of this lemon is very active. It contains oil that helps so very much to get rid of skin tag. Mixing it with cloves would actually make it work really strong. So this is actually for any person who have actually been wanting or struggling to remove his or her skin tag and have tried other things. So this is going to be your last bus stop trying home remedies for removal of skin tag. So what we're going to do right now is that I'm going to be creating the lemon so we can extract the lemon skin, which is actually the lemon zest. So you guys, that's actually what I've extracted, except you actually want to make this and store, then you can make it in large quantity. Just a little of this would be perfect. Okay, just this little is enough for few skin tag on your skin. So I'm equally going to be putting that into my gloves and then pound it together so it could enable the pounding process softer. So after doing that, then the very third ingredient that we are definitely going to be needing, which is also very important when it comes to skin tag removal, is garlic, you guys. Garlic is one great powerful ingredient that works so very much, you know, for the skin. All right, so I'm going to be telling you how you're going to use this to prevent burning your skin, because the essence of this is so that we can apply just on the affected area, which is just the skin tag. And then what this is going to do on your skin tag is that it's just going to shrink it, so it's going to be burning the skin tag little by little, and before you know it, in just few days, it can be 2 to 3 days depending on the size of the skin tag. Okay, so if you have just a little skin tag, 2 days for this particular home remedy, your skin tag would have been gone. So just 2 cloves of garlic is enough. We're also going to be creating it just like we did in the lemon zest. So it's actually not compulsory that you must create yours. So however you want to do this, if you can pound it or blend it, is also very perfect. Okay, so after doing that, I'm actually going to be pounding it together. Now the reason why I have to pound this together is so that the juice can actually marinate together, like can actually come out together, and so that this remedy could be very effective. Yeah, after pounding this together, then I have to put everything inside a bowl. So you can see that the ingredient is dry, so we would be needing a juice, a liquid here, so that we can liquidify it. But however, you can actually pound yours very well till the juice comes out. By so doing, you will not need any other juice, and that would actually make it very powerful. So to just liquidify it just a little, I'm going to be cutting in the lemon juice. So I'm going to mix this together. Now you guys, when you prepare this, the day that you prepare this is actually not the day you're going to use it, okay? So after you've prepared this, then you're going to get a clipping nylon. It might not be this particular one, it might just be a black nylon where you which you can actually get really easy, and then you cover this up just like this, or you can put it in an airtight container. You cover this up just like this, and then you leave it till the next day, okay? Now the next day you're gonna open it. It's going to smell really strong. You guys, this is a very strong skin tag remedy. Now before you use that, you would have to get a vitamin E oil. For instance, let's say this is your skin tag, okay? Let's say this is your skin tag. Then you get a vitamin E oil or avocado oil, okay? More especially vitamin E oil, and then you take just a little of the oil, you rub it just this way, okay, on the skin that is not affected, okay? Rub it there first of all. Then after doing that, then you grab your mixed skin tag remedy, and then you put it on top of your skin tag, okay? Now mind you, around this place just like this is oil, okay? So that is going to prevent this from burning your unaffected skin, and then it's going to concentrate on, you know, removing and cleaning off the skin tag. Now after which you've done this, then you can actually look for a nylon or a plaster, and then you cover it up just like that, okay? Cover the place, make sure that it is covered very well. Now when you put this, it's going to be warm beneath, okay? Do not worry, it doesn't have any side effects, it's just very okay. What this is going to do is going to peel off the skin tag, and yeah, you have to leave this on for 24 hours. So cover it in a way that will be very comfortable, convenient, and it will stay very well without falling off, okay? So that would actually, you know, stay till the next day. Now when the next day come, you remove this one, okay? Remove it, take it off, clean off the place, apply oil on the non-affected skin just like this, and then you apply it again on the affected area which you have your skin tag. Apply it, and then you cover it up again. Put a plaster, you can cover it up with a nylon, and then wrap it up with something very comfortable and convenient so that it won't fall off, okay? Now if you're also wanting to do this on some tiny skin tag, now if you want to do it on a tiny skin tag, then you are going to be extracting just the juice. Remove only the juice of this, all right? And then you take the juice and then you apply it on those areas where you have your skin tag. Apply it. Do not apply this at your under eye. Do not apply it under your eye, okay? It is forbidden to apply cloves and garlic under your eye. It's going to burn your skin because the skin under your eye is very sensitive and very delicate, okay? It does not have a lot of fat, so this is not going to be it's not going to go well under your eye. So 3 days after trying this out, you are definitely going to be seeing that your skin tag will be gone and your skin is going to breathe and be beautiful once again. All right, so that's it. You can use it on your skin growth, not just skin tag, skin wax, skin mole. Also try this particular ingredient. It works like magic, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to share the video, like the video, and God bless you. Bye bye.